to dig the soil and plant the banana.
Drink, Kokoy!
Hello. Oh, glad to see you, Karen Ingo. Ingo, can we ask you a favor?
What can I do for you, Pedring?
We are going to plant banana. You can help us, can you not?
Yes, I can. I am a farmer. You can ask me anything about planting, huh?
Thanks, Ingo, but we can manage, right? We need to bury the lower part of the banana plant under the soil.
Ingo, we need to bury the lower part of the banana plant under the soil, do we not?
Yes.
And then we need to water our plants.
Ingo, we need to water our plants, do we not?
Yes.
Because plants need water to grow.
Our plants need sunlight too.
Ingo, our plants need sunlight. Don't...
Wait. Why do you keep on repeating everything I say? And then you put a question at the end. Tell me, you do not believe that I know how to plant a banana?
Of course I believe you. I'm just checking with Ingo. He knows more than we do. He is old.
Older.
Sorry.
Pedring, older.
Sorry.
There is nothing wrong with asking. Make sure that you are doing things right.
Right. Pedring wants Ingo to confirm whatever you say. That is why he repeats what you have said and he adds a tag question at the end of his sentence.
Tag question?
Why? What is a tag question?
We use a tag question when we want to know if people agree or not. When we want to get a yes or a no answer.
Okay.
Like what Pedring did. He wanted to get a yes or no answer from Ingo. And he wanted to know whether Ingo agrees to what you and Pedring are doing.
So, you can only answer with a yes or no?
Yes. Then, of course, you can add something after the answer yes or no.
Ah! How do you form a tag question again?
It is easy. Please get a piece of paper and pencil.
I have a notebook.
Oh, good. Now, think of something that you want to know if people agree with you or not. Something that can be answered by a yes or no.
I am a good friend.
Now, instead of a period, we put a comma after the word friend and add, am I not?
I am a good friend, am I not?
Yes. Yes, you are a good friend, Ingo.
That is a tag question?
Yes.
Can I try?
Sure.
Ingo is a good farmer, is he not?
Right.
Here is another one. I am handsome, am I not?
That is right.
Thanks, huh?
I mean, that is a tag question, Ingo.
No. I am handsome, am I not?
You are waiting for our answer, are you not?
Hey, that is also a tag question. Very good. So why don't we discuss?
No.
So what else do you think we can do with that question?
You
So
still have not answered my tag question.
we are a
with
happy
yes.
bunch, are we not?
You are supposed to answer with a yes.
And then you want
answer
to
my tag question.
plant your banana plant
am-
now. Do you not?
Yes.
I am handsome, am I not?